Very naturey. I'm so tired. It's been a long day. And I want to shower now. I'm gonna shower now. Actually, ready right now. There's like a million tiny crabs. Crabs ba? I got here what 10 a.m. 9 a.m. ganun. But my check-in was at 2. And I asked my host. I asked her if I could drop my bags off early, and she said no. To be fair, when I got here, dun ko lang na-realize na it's an Airbnb room pala. And like I share the house with the owner. So the owner lives upstairs and I live like downstairs. I rented a bike from my Airbnb. I haven't ridden a bike in so long though. So I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's so gloomy today though. Today. I biked all the way up here from down there. Holy shit, I'm so tired. Look at that though. Okay guys, I went back up again. I have to reapply sunscreen. Oh my god, ang init! Gago. Bruh.
Try to set the night on fire.
So, okay, kuya.
Okay ka na?
Nag-stretch na ako.
Yung gamit mo na lang kayo.
For mga 4:20 in the afternoon. Sun still hot. Look at that, look at that. Yeah. Good. There. Nice. Hi guys, embarrassing kwento. You see this? Tangina, sumemplang ako sa trike kanina, gago. Boba moment, it was my fault. I couldn't control the bike. I was coming up on an intersection. Tapos, grabe. Natakot ako kasi sobrang daming trike. I was going up the mountain and I'm just on a wee little bike. So, I didn't notice that another trike was coming like directly at me. He slowed down and then I also slowed down at the last moment. But still, sumemplang ako. And I don't know if see that there. See that? That line? Nakakaya and so much people saw it. Gago. It's so embarrassing. Hi guys, day 5, Baler. Last full day here. And I basically just surfed. That's it. That's all I did. Super fun though. I sustained an injury. I think I scratched myself. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. But it's been fun and I did really good today. Allegedly daw. So ngayon, nabibilad na lang ako sa araw. Thank you, Baler. And thank you, Kuya Patrick, for teaching me how to surf. Ano na videos kasi hindi yun service dito. Okay? Yeah. Oh my god, if this scars, I'm gonna look super fucking cool. We'll see. Stay tuned.